This video is meant to be an orientation and familiarization of the Jekko product. This is by no means a training or certification video. Prior to all unit operation, please be sure to secure all safety gear including hard hat, eye protection, safety vest, and gloves. Walk around the unit performing a visual inspection, checking the following components: outriggers, chassis, slewing ring, boom section, jib, load block, oil tank, winch, and crane column. Ensure the unit tracks are free of damage and properly tensioned. Ensure that the unit has no leaks or damaged components. To power up the unit, approach the unit and rotate the ignition switch to the on position. Press the BMS wake up button located next to the ignition selector. Ensure the e-stop on the unit is in the out position. For diesel units, ensure that the power mode is properly selected between engine or power pack per intended use. Locate the radio remote stored on the right side of the boom. Turn the power switch to the on position and press start button. The radio remote will cycle through a startup procedure which could take up to 60 seconds. Press start button a second time when prompted. Confirm proper boom configuration needed. When working with winch, you must confirm your rope table configuration up to 4 parts of line. To work with crane hook, toggle down on part line selector until you see hook icon. Ensure jib on board is selected to prevent damage to the jib. When proper boom configuration is displayed, click the checkmark button to confirm the LMI. For diesel engines, locate the engine start toggle on remote. If necessary, use the glow plug by holding the toggle switch in the down position. To begin operation, ensure the selector knob is appropriately positioned per intended machine function. Choose between pick and carry, track, crane, and outrigger functions. The 5th mode on the knob is not equipped on this machine and should not be selected. Press the function enable button to confirm the mode selected. In track mode, to move the unit, push or pull the 2 center levers on transmitter as necessary. To adjust drive speed, move toggle switch up or down. Speed will be indicated by the color of the track icon. For greater stability and increased control, extend the unit's tracks using levers 3 and 6 on the remote. Once the unit has been moved to the operating location, you will need to deploy the outriggers. Locate the outrigger rotation lock pin. To achieve maximum load chart at 360 degrees, pull the pin and rotate the outrigger to a 47-degree position as indicated on the remote. Lift outer outrigger leg into locked position. Rotate crane mode selector to the outrigger position and press the function enable button. To utilize auto level function, press and hold auto level button on left side of remote until machine is properly stabilized. If necessary, use levers 3, 4, 5, and 6 to deploy the outriggers independently. Raise the unit into crane operating position with outrigger levers by continuing to press down on the outrigger levers until the tracks are off the ground and crane is level within 5 degrees as indicated by the level indicator. Once all outriggers are down and the unit is level, rotate crane mode selector to the crane position and press function enable button. The crane is now ready to use and the screen will display crane function icons. For crane movement, the leftmost lever on the transmitter controls crane rotation. The next lever controls boom up and down, followed by the third lever, which controls crane extension. Finally, the rightmost lever controls the winch. The load block must always be installed and the cable must always be under tension. The winch must not be allowed to spool without tension or load. Ensure the A to B switch is installed correctly for proper crane function. After crane operation is complete, return the boom to the stowed position with no load. The boom must be retracted within 9 feet, rotated over the center line and main boom angle below 45 degrees. Ensure that the ignition switch is turned to the off position after all unit operation. Proper maintenance is necessary to keep the unit functioning at all times. Consult your local dealer and use and maintenance manual for proper service schedule and procedures.